Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have the VCR and laptop. Now begin by preparing the physical and software basics. First, plug the VCR into power and set it to output mode. Next, connect the yellow composite video and red/white audio RCA cables to the VCR outputs. Once done, attach the other ends to the capture adapter, then plug that adapter into the laptop USB port. Make sure your capture software and drivers are installed and configured for the correct input type and region. Now focus on the detailed capture setup so your recordings look and sound right. You should open the capture application and explicitly choose the USB capture device for both video and audio. Sometimes audio appears under a separate device list. Then set resolution to match standard definition, typically 720 by 480 for NTSC, and pick the correct frame rate. Choose a compressed container like MP4 or AVI. Adjust audio gain so bars peak below clipping, and use the preview to confirm sync. You're at the finish line. Get the tape cued, press play on the VCR, then hit record in the capture software so audio and video start together. While recording, watch the preview for dropped frames or audio drift. Pause and restart if needed. When finished, stop recording, stop the VCR, and save your file with a clear name and date. If something fails, check cable seating, try another USB port or adapter, confirm NTSC versus PAL, and update drivers. Those fixes resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.